In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the age restriction on the App Store on your iPhone. So this is going to allow you to download any apps that you want. It's really easy to do. So the first thing we should do is go over to our settings. And you want to scroll down until you find where it says screen time. So once you're here, scroll down and you'll find an area under the restrictions and it says content and privacy restrictions. Go ahead and click that. So the first thing we're going to do here is go to app installations and purchases and just making sure that the installing apps is allowed. You don't want to do everything else and then still not be able to download apps. So just make sure that this is turned on to allow. The next thing we need to do is come out of here and we're going to stay under the content and privacy restrictions tab here. And you want to go to where it says App Store, Media, Web, and Games. And you want to scroll down until you find where it says apps. So this is really going to be the area that's going to allow you to download any app that you really want because it's going to set the age. So go ahead to where it says unrated there. So you just want to make sure that this is either 18 plus or unrated. In the older iOSs, it did not have the unrated option. Here, it was only until 17 plus. Basically, 18 when you're an adult, you'll be able to download any app that you want. But now with the new versions of iOS, you just want to have it say unrated. So that's really it. Just go ahead and make sure that's checked off. It will ask you for your password. And that's it. It's super simple. It's super easy to control the age restrictions and change them if you want to for the App Store.